Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hard to Say Info Tone. In today's video I'm going to answer the question if you can measure distance in Google Maps, and if yes, how to do so. And the answer is yes, you can measure distance on Google Maps with the easy way, of course. And at first, to do so, we have to make a pin, drop a pin actually. We have to hold our finger on the map on our point of interest, and here we have to prolong it. Here we have a button called measure distance. Now from this point, drop the pin, we can measure distance. As you can see, we can add points with this plus button, and we can do so a lot of times. Here we can see the distance, and here I did as you can see, a triangle. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.